Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time my neighbor Jeff tried to camp rugged by sleeping in his Prius with a yoga mat and a box of granola. 3 hours in, he knocked on my bus door like it was the gates of heaven. Why? Because I was parked next to him in the Green Beast, a 2007 Thomas-built bus turned into the off-grid mansion of every nomad's dreams. We're talking 35-plus feet, 10.6 meters, of full-time luxury. Right off the bat, the driver's cab comes with more buttons than a spaceship, including full LED light control and a 360-degree camera setup. That's right, parallel parking this rig is easier than parking at Walmart during a Black Friday sale. Once inside, there's a 4-seat entry area with a full electrical command station. Head further in, and you hit the 7-person dining zone. 2 tables, sofas, and the flexibility to turn it into a twin and a single bed. Basically, it's a Swiss... Wait, I can't say that. It's versatile, okay? The kitchen? Absolute wizardry. Full-size fridge freezer, a deep sink, 3-burner stove, oven, and enough countertop space to host a cooking show. Storage? Let's just say I believe you could pack for every season in there and still have room for Jeff's failed camping gear. The hallway gets tight with more cabinets, a rifle-sized safe, because why not? And yes, a walk-in closet. Laundry? It's got a washer-dryer. This is not a drill. Now the bathroom. My favorite. Black tile, black fixtures, composting toilet, rain shower, and a wooden ceiling. It's like a spa, but mobile, and Jeff's not allowed in. And finally, the bedroom. Queen-size bed, double nightstands, skylight, AC heater, fans, and enough windows to make you feel like you're sleeping inside a national park. But wait, the off-grid system is the real showstopper. 9,600 watt-hour battery capacity, 2,500 watt solar panels, 24-volt power setup, Webasto diesel heater, and a 7-gallon, 26-liter Bosch water heater. I think this system could power a small moon base.